Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to connect Tradersway to CTrader. And if you want to do this, we go right here to broker, scroll down to load more, and then at the T right here, we select Tradersway. Then we go here to open account. And then what you need to do right here is you need to create yourself an account on Tradersway. And if you're using that account, you need to be sure that you create that account with the same email address that you are using right here in CTrader. So for me, it's this email address, but you will see a different email address and make sure that you use that email address. Because after that, we go back, create yourselves here the account with the same email address, and then after that, select as platform type CTrader. Then after that, when you complete your whole registration right here on Tradersway, he will automatically sync your account to CTrader. So after that, if you go here to CTrader and select right here in the top your account list, you will find the broker right here in this list. I already did this for FX Pro, FP Markets, FTMO, Fusion Markets and IC Markets, and this works for all the brokers the same. So this is how you can connect Tradersway right here to CTrader. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.